Weather Service forecast for Brownsville, Harlingen, and surrounding areas. Today, windy, cloudy with isolated showers and thunderstorms. Highs 76 to 81. Southeast winds 15 to 25 miles an hour, becoming 20 to 25 miles an hour late in the morning, then becoming south 25 to 30 miles an hour early in the afternoon, becoming 20 to 25 miles an hour late in the afternoon. The chance of rain 20%. Tonight, mostly cloudy, breezy. Slight chance of thunderstorms and isolated showers in the evening. Low 66 to 71. South winds 20 to 25 miles an hour, becoming 15 to 25 miles an hour after midnight. The chance of rain 20% in the evening. Thursday, mostly cloudy in the morning then clearing. Highs near 80. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour, shifting to the north in the afternoon. Thursday night, partly cloudy. Cooler. Lows in the upper 50s. Friday, mostly cloudy. Highs 73 to 78. Looking ahead at your extended weather forecast, Friday night and Saturday, mostly cloudy. Chance of showers. Lows in the 60s. Highs 65 to 75. Saturday night and Sunday, cooler, cloudy. Chance of showers. Lows in the 40s. Highs 45 to 55. Sunday night and Monday, cloudy. Chance of showers. Lows in the 40s. Highs 55 to 65. Monday night and New Year's Day, mostly cloudy. Slight chance of showers overnight, then chance of showers during the day. Lows in the 40s. Highs 55 to 65. The hazardous weather outlook for portions of deep South Texas. For today and tonight, there is a high threat of rip currents along area beaches of deep South Texas. The extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday, there will be an elevated risk of rip currents along area beaches through the upcoming weekend. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will not be needed. The hazardous weather outlook for portions of the Gulf of Mexico and the Laguna Madre. For today and tonight, a small craft advisory for winds is in effect for the Laguna Madre from 9 a.m. Wednesday to midnight Wednesday night. A small craft advisory is in effect from 9 a.m. Wednesday to 6 a.m. Thursday for the lower Texas Gulf waters out to 60 nautical miles offshore. The extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday, additional small craft advisories will be possible this weekend. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will not be needed. Small craft advisory for winds remains in effect from 9 a.m. this morning to midnight Central Standard Time tonight. Winds. Southeast winds 15 to 25 knots early, increasing to 20 to 25 knots by the afternoon. A small craft advisory for wind means that wind speeds of 20 to 33 knots are expected. Inexperienced mariners, especially those operating smaller vessels, should avoid navigating in these conditions. Small craft advisory remains in effect from 9 a.m. this morning to 6 a.m. Central Standard Time Thursday. Winds. Southeast winds 20 to 25 knots early, increasing to 25 to 30 knots in the afternoon. Waves and seas, seas 7 to 9 feet with occasional seas up to 10 feet. A small craft advisory means that wind speeds of 20 to 33 knots are expected to produce hazardous wave conditions to small craft. Inexperienced mariners, especially those operating smaller vessels, should avoid navigating in these conditions. Thank you for listening to Weather Radio, broadcasting to the Rio Grande Valley from your National Weather Service in Brownsville. Here's a look at the latest available marine conditions at 7 o'clock a.m. 35 miles northeast of Port Mansfield, southeast wind at 21 knots, gusting to 27. Air temperature 72 degrees, Gulf water temperature 69 degrees. Wave heights 6 feet, with a period of 7 seconds. 200 miles east of Port Isabel, southeast wind at 16 knots, gusting to 19. Air temperature 73 degrees, Gulf water temperature 72 degrees. Wave heights 4 feet, with a period of 6 seconds. Here is the marine forecast for the following marine location, the coastal waters. Synopsis: the pressure gradient will continue to strengthen across the coastal waters through Wednesday night as low pressure deepens over the southwest and high pressure persists to the east. The southeast winds will increase, resulting in hazardous marine conditions into Thursday. As the low pressure system moves east, an associated cold front will move through the region early Thursday. From this point, gradual improvement is expected as northerly winds are forecast to prevail into the weekend. Here is the marine forecast for the following marine locations: Laguna Madre from the port of Brownsville to the Arroyo Colorado, Laguna Madre from the Arroyo Colorado to 5 nautical miles north of Port Mansfield, Texas, and Laguna Madre from 5 nautical miles north of Port Mansfield to Baffin Bay, Texas. Small craft advisory for winds in effect from 9 a.m. Central Standard Time this morning through this evening. Today, southeast winds 15 to 20 knots increasing to 20 to 25 knots in the afternoon. Choppy on the bay, building to rough in the afternoon. Isolated showers and thunderstorms. Tonight, south winds 20 to 25 knots becoming 15 to 25 knots after midnight. Rough on the bay. Slight chance of thunderstorms and isolated showers. Thursday, west winds 10 to 15 knots becoming north 5 to 10 knots in the afternoon. A moderate chop on the bay subsiding to a light chop in the afternoon. Thursday night, northeast winds 5 to 10 knots. A light chop on the bay. Friday, northeast winds 5 to 10 knots increasing to 10 to 15 knots in the afternoon. A light chop on the bay building to a moderate chop in the afternoon. Friday night, east winds 10 to 15 knots diminishing to 5 to 10 knots after midnight. A moderate chop on the bay subsiding to a light chop after midnight. Chance of showers. Saturday, northeast winds 5 to 10 knots becoming north 10 to 15 knots in the afternoon. A light chop on the bay building to a moderate chop in the afternoon. Chance of showers. Saturday night, north winds 15 to 20 knots. Choppy on the bay. Chance of showers. Sunday, north winds 15 to 20 knots diminishing to 10 to 15 knots in the afternoon. Choppy on the bay subsiding to a moderate chop in the afternoon. Chance of showers. Sunday night, north winds 10 to 15 knots becoming northwest 5 to 10 knots after midnight. A moderate chop on the bay subsiding to a light chop after midnight. Chance of showers. Here is the marine forecast for the following marine locations: coastal waters from Port Mansfield, Texas to Rio Grande out 20 nautical miles, and coastal waters from Baffin Bay to Port Mansfield, Texas out 20 nautical miles. Small craft advisory in effect from 9 a.m. Central Standard Time this morning through late tonight. Today, southeast winds 20 to 25 knots. Seas 5 to 7 feet with occasional seas up to 8 feet. Isolated showers and thunderstorms. Tonight, southeast winds 20 to 25 knots shifting south 15 to 25 knots after midnight. Seas 6 to 9 feet with occasional seas up to 10 feet. Slight chance of thunderstorms and isolated showers. Thursday, southwest winds 15 to 20 knots becoming north 10 to 15 knots in the afternoon. Seas 5 to 8 feet with occasional seas up to 9 feet. Isolated showers in the morning. Thursday night, northeast winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Slight chance of showers. Friday, northeast winds 5 to 10 knots increasing to 10 to 15 knots in the afternoon. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Slight chance of showers. Friday night, east winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Chance of showers. Saturday, northeast winds 5 to 10 knots becoming north 15 to 20 knots in the afternoon. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Chance of showers. Saturday night, north winds 15 to 20 knots. Seas 5 to 8 feet with occasional seas up to 9 feet. Chance of showers. Sunday, north winds 15 to 20 knots. Seas 5 to 8 feet with occasional seas up to 9 feet. Chance of showers. Sunday night, north winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 5 to 7 feet with occasional seas up to 8 feet. Chance of showers. Here is the marine forecast. For the following marine locations, waters from Port Mansfield, Texas to Rio Grande extending from 20 nautical miles to 60 nautical miles, and waters from Baffin Bay to Port Mansfield extending from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Small craft advisory in effect from 9 a.m. Central Standard Time this morning through late tonight. Today, southeast winds 20 to 25 knots. Seas 5 to 8 feet with occasional seas up to 9 feet. Scattered showers in the morning. Isolated thunderstorms through the day. Isolated showers in the afternoon. Tonight, southeast winds 25 to 30 knots, shifting south 20 to 30 knots after midnight. Seas 7 to 11 feet with occasional seas up to 13 feet. Isolated showers in the evening. Slight chance of thunderstorms through the night. Scattered showers after midnight. Thursday, southwest winds 15 to 20 knots becoming north 10 to 15 knots in the afternoon. Seas 6 to 9 feet with occasional seas up to 10 feet. Scattered showers in the morning, then isolated showers in the afternoon. Thursday night, northeast winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 5 to 7 feet with occasional seas up to 8 feet. Chance of showers. Friday, northeast winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 5 to 7 feet with occasional seas up to 8 feet. Slight chance of showers. Friday night, east winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 4 to 6 feet with occasional seas up to 7 feet. Chance of showers. Saturday, east winds 5 to 10 knots becoming northeast 15 to 20 knots in the afternoon. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Chance of showers. Saturday night, north winds 15 to 20 knots. Seas 5 to 8 feet with occasional seas up to 9 feet. Chance of showers. Sunday, north winds 15 to 20 knots. Seas 6 to 8 feet with occasional seas up to 9 feet. Chance of showers. Sunday night, north winds 15 to 20 knots diminishing to 5 to 10 knots after midnight. Seas 5 to 8 feet with occasional seas up to 9 feet. Chance of showers. Predicted times for the South Padre Island jetties. Today, a low at 11:13 a.m. A high at 8:15 p.m. Thursday, a low at 12:05 p.m. A high at 8:33 p.m. Water temperatures in the Bay near Port Isabel, 68 degrees. In the surf at South Padre Island, 68 degrees. Sunrise at 7:15 a.m. Sunset at 5:46 p.m. Here's a look at your 7:00 a.m. weather conditions. At the International Airport in Brownsville, under cloudy skies, the temperature was 73 degrees, dew point 72, making the relative humidity 96%. Winds were from the southeast at 15 miles an hour, gusting to 22 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.91 and falling. And at the Valley International Airport in Harlingen, under cloudy skies, the temperature was 71 degrees, dew point 68, making the relative humidity 90%. Winds were from the southeast at 17 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.89 and steady. The Brownsville climate summary for yesterday, December 25th, 2018. Yesterday's high temperature of 79 degrees occurred at 11:50 a.m. This high was 9 degrees above the normal high of 70. The record high is 88 degrees, which was set in 2012. Yesterday's low temperature of 66 occurred at 7:17 a.m. This low was 15 degrees above the normal low of 51. The record low is 20 degrees, which was set in 1983. 0.28 inches of precipitation fell yesterday, which brings the monthly total to 0.61 inches. The total precipitation for the year now stands at 23.00 inches. The highest wind gust observed was 32 miles an hour from the southeast, which occurred at 4:20 p.m. The normal high temperature for today is 70 degrees, and the normal low is 51. The Harlingen climate summary for yesterday, December 25th, 2018. Yesterday's high temperature was 79 degrees. This high was 9 degrees above the normal high of 70. The record high is 88 degrees, which was last set in 2015. Yesterday's low temperature was 62. This low was 13 degrees above the normal low of 49. The record low is 18 degrees, which was set in 1989. 0.18 inches of precipitation fell yesterday, which brings the monthly total to 0.96 inches. The total precipitation for the year now stands at 34.86 inches. The highest wind gust observed was 31 miles an hour from the southeast, which occurred at 5:06 p.m. The normal high temperature for today is 70 degrees, and the normal low is 49. Weather conditions across the region at 7 o'clock a.m. In Harlingen, cloudy, temperature 71 degrees. Southeast wind at 17. Bayview, light rain, temperature 71 degrees. Southeast wind at 21. Brownsville, cloudy, temperature 73 degrees. Southeast wind at 15, gusting to 22 miles an hour. Matamoros, cloudy, temperature 70 degrees. Southeast wind at 9. Reynosa, mostly cloudy, temperature 68 degrees. Southeast wind at 8. Edinburgh, cloudy, temperature 73 degrees. Southeast wind at 17. McAllen, mostly cloudy, temperature 72 degrees. Southeast wind at 30, gusting to 38 miles an hour. Zapata, fair, temperature 71 degrees. Southeast wind at 15, gusting to 26 miles an hour. Hebronville, rain, temperature 67 degrees. South wind at 14, gusting to 21 miles an hour. Elsewhere across Texas at this hour, Laredo, cloudy, 70 degrees. Del Rio, cloudy, 65 degrees. El Paso, light rain, 49 degrees. Amarillo, with light rain and fog, 48 degrees. At DFW Airport, cloudy, 62 degrees. Houston, cloudy, 63 degrees. Austin, with light rain and fog, 66 degrees. San Antonio, light rain, 65 degrees. And in Corpus Christi, cloudy, 71 degrees. Here's your National Weather Service forecast.